Welcome to a world where contemporary architecture meets the serene beauty of the Mediterranean. Nestled in a highly prestigious enclave on the Costa del Sol, this exceptional villa is a masterclass in modern luxury. As you step inside, floor-to-ceiling glass reveals breathtaking panoramic views, seamlessly connecting the elegant open-plan interiors with the sun-drenched terraces outside. Crafted with no expense spared, the home features a gourmet kitchen with premium Gaggenau appliances, bespoke finishes, and a state-of-the-art climate system. Outside, the pristine infinity pool and manicured gardens offer a private sanctuary for relaxation and sophisticated entertaining. This is more than just a home, it is a refined lifestyle statement designed for those who appreciate ultimate privacy, security, and architectural excellence on the Spanish coast.